Okay, so I've had these parts soaking in the vinegar for a bit. See how rusty it is, surface rust all over there. After you've had it soaking, you take some of the really fine steel wool and a little bit of elbow grease. You can see it's so much better, almost like new. It's still going to be pitted and you're scratching and stuff, but there's not going to be any rust in it. Haven't done that side yet, of course, but this one I've already finished. Nice and clean. When I paint the bike, I might throw a coat of clear on top of it just to protect it from air and moisture, because that's what's going to start the rust. So yeah, that's how you clean up chrome: vinegar and steel wool.